A week ago, she was widely expected to lead her far-right National Rally party to victory in the final round of the French elections. Fast forward 7 days and the tables seem to have turned on Marine Le Pen, as France's left-wing New Popular Front won the largest number of seats, a result no one had expected. In a relief for French President Emmanuel Macron, the results stopped the far-right juggernaut. However, the near future would still be agonizing for him, as left-wing leader Jean-Luc Mélenchon, soon after the results started coming in, asked for his resignation or a new prime minister from the ranks of his New Popular Front coalition. France now faces the challenge of new government formation after the polls delivered a hung parliament, as no single party or coalition could get past the majority mark of 289. The reason for the far right's loss can be attributed to a large extent to a tactical deal between Macron's centrist and the leftist parties. Under the deal, more than 200 candidates from the three-way races pulled out to avoid splitting the anti-far right vote. The other important factor in Le Pen's loss could be voters turning out in force to defeat the far right. Macron's term as president extends until 2027, and he appears to be mulling his options. According to reports, he said that he's waiting for the National Assembly to organize itself before he makes any decisions as to who he'll appoint as Prime Minister. But whoever he picks faces a confidence vote in the National Assembly, which will convene on July 18th. The surge of the far right may have been stopped by the French people, but they still stare at an uncertain future. With Vishal Vivek, Bureau Report, NDTV.